guys, I'm standing next to the Woo 100. Yes, you've heard it before. Last year, Woo launched the 100 inches TV. But this year, it's the smartest TV. Not just the world's largest TV, but also the smartest TV. It comes with 2 operating systems now, Android and Windows. So let's have a look at the TV.
Get up, get down, put the bass and sound.
We have very proudly presented 6 types of TVs, which is smart TVs, basic TVs, Android TVs, high-end TVs, corporate TVs, in 10 sizes, which is 32, 40, 43, 49, 50, 55, 65, 75, 86 and 100. Now, 1 year ago, we launched the world's most high-end, most expensive, largest 100-inch television. Let me tell you, I'm very proud to say the product has done extremely well for us. So this year we said, how do we up the game? How do we get better than a 100-inch television? And we thought about it and we said, it is a great TV, but we can soup it up. So we actually created the View 100 Super TV Edition. Now what is special about this TV? Let me tell you. It is the first 100-inch TV in the world and the only 100-inch TV in the world which also has an inbuilt computer. So not only does it have the Android operating system, it also has Windows PC. So whether you want to use it in your house, we did manage to get it up 38 floors in this hotel, or you want to put it in your office or any purpose that you have, this is the most sophisticated television which is there in the market. And as you know, we are very much focused on high-end TVs. I'm very proud and happy to say we're taking leadership space in that size TVs. We're also the highest selling 4K TV in India ahead of Sony. And we are soon also the largest selling television online.
Ladies and gentlemen, the edition specially launched at a much newer, better price of rupees 8 lakhs.
Welcome to the Unbiased Vlog.
Thank you so much.
Before I tell people that I'm here to meet her and talk to her about the TVs that we made, I am a user myself for the past 7 years and I'm really proud of that. Keep telling people that go for Woo TV, don't go here and there. The best of panels is the best of pricing. That's what really matters. So thank you so much for, it's become an integral part of our family. Obviously, we watch TV on it and it's one of the first smart TVs that we launched and we have been using it 15 inches TV from since then.
Yes.
You've come a long way and you have the world's largest TV and you've now upgraded it even further. So can you tell me about that?
Yeah, absolutely. I think as a brand, we're very much focused to be on the most intelligent part of displays. What has happened essentially is everything that we used to consume on paper has now moved to screens. So what your mobile phone is to you in the day is also televisions are at night. But people are busy, they don't just want to watch appointment viewing as they call it, like some serial. They want something intelligent, they want something they can work out on, they want something they can use for work. And so we've always driven our brand with 2 areas. One is how do you make the television more intelligent, add a lot more features to it, I make it more consumer friendly, more adapted to their lifestyle, and then also give them a wide range. So we actually today have televisions from 32 inch which start at 7,000 rupees to 100 inch that goes up at 7 lakh rupees. So even our viewer, you can actually have a View TV in all your bedrooms, in your office, wherever you work, and it'll actually be very you can really live the view life, as we say.
Okay. So great. So what's new in the 100-inch TVs? I'm really excited about it.
It is, right? It is. You know, when we launched it last year, people were like amazed because the world's first 100-inch TV. And it's not 98, 99, it's exactly 100 inches, like edge to edge. It's the size of 225 iPhones. And we sell about 300-inch TVs every week, which is a massive deal for us.
Really?
In fact, it's a 108 kg television and we've bought it up 38 floors out here. So we said, you know, how do we up our game? What do we do? What's next? So we realized that a lot of people today wanted to use the 100-inch TV either as a control center in their office or even at home for all kinds of work that they may want to do or some content that's available for them through a browser. So we said, you know what, we already have Android. Let's make it including a Windows, and then let's give it with a QWERTY keyboard so you can have a much more seamless experience. So now it is the largest and most intelligent television in the world.
Absolutely. So I mean, it has both the OS, Android
and Windows.
So no other company could do that. They did it. Windows plus Android on a 100-inch TV. That's really great.
Absolutely.
So, like, are the projector companies really after your life now that you ruined their business because nobody wants to buy a projector now because they have got a 100?
I think we've ruined business for a lot of people.
That's true.
You know, to be honest, there have a lot of brands which have come in. I must say that they create a lot of marketing and hype and they do a great job on that. But when it comes to customers, you know, we have a 78% repeat rate. People who buy our television and they want to buy it again and again. And in fact, we just did a survey online. We did a product exchange program with Flipkart. And that you could, we did a 5-year anniversary program with them, that you could bring in your own TV or old TV and we will exchange it for a view. 57% of those televisions were actually LG, Sony and Samsung. So we've taken business about 3% market share each from Sony, Samsung and LG. We've grown 28% year on year. There's a couple of more, you can say, budget brands which have come in the market, but I don't think they have satisfied consumers in terms of the experience, customer service and quality. And so as my customers are happy, I can say you're happy. My competitors are unhappy. So that's what we're in business for, you know, just to make sure that we also make our country proud, because we're the first company in the world actually which is premium. It's the only Indian premium brand actually in capital goods. So we're very proud of all these things that we've achieved through a lot of hard work of my team and everyone involved over the years.
So why are you here today? Because I was seeing a lot of zones created and I was really intrigued to see that, you know, a TV could do so much more than being usually do at talks or, you know, just watching movies and all. So what exactly are you showcasing today?
You know, again, like my customers actually are the ones who inspire me. Like living in Mumbai and even traveling across the country, I realized today that millennials have very busy lives. So while our finance minister will say they prefer Ola and Uber, what they mean to say is that our lifestyles have changed. And at the same time, as our expectations from ourselves have changed, you know. All of us are very high performance people in terms of wanting to be the best in many things. So we said if we have to make a product for a very alpha customer, what would it be? So the first one you can see is you can do a workout with the View TV, and you can go hands-free because, you know, you don't have to type anything. It has the active voice remote control. You can go to the office and you can do casting on your TV. We also have touch options.
Yeah, I could see
for those who
on that.
absolutely, those who like gaming, we have very high refresh rate in all our televisions. And then as we launched a few months ago was the upscaler technology. So most of the consumption of content today is Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, this Hotstar, all of whom we have integrated with. In fact, they're here at the event. And even for movie fans, this is exactly the product to use. So when you're buying a product, what you really want to get is ROI. And we've been able to give that ROI to a consumer, saying that this television is not just something you watch with, you know, your dinner. You can literally live your whole life with it, and that's why it's called Live the View Life.
So what next? I mean, you've shown us all the ways really. I mean, I don't know, will you start driving now next time? What are you planning?
I think as long as my customers keep putting a lot of pressure on us and telling us to do better and better, we will come up each time. I remember my team and I be like, wow, we can't get better than this. And then something or the other comes up. So, you know, we're so proud to say that today we're the largest in company in 4K. We're the leaders in large sizes. We have the biggest range, the highest selling television online. And we have the highest customer repeat rate. So I think the formula that we have in business of, as you rightly said, great product, great price and great customers, I think we'll be good to go for a while now.
Great. Thank you so much for for spending time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Diwali Dhamal 100 TV.
Yes, wishing you a very, very happy Diwali from all of us at View Television.
Thank you.